My name is Raymond Bolt. I'm the Curriculum Area Manager for Motor Vehicle at Northern Regional College. The Tyre Maintenance and Fitness Shared Skills Academy is a demand-led pre-employment training programme open to local companies. The Academy is a 3-week intense training programme and it's run here in the Ballymena campus, and it's all about giving people the practical skills for the tyre industry and helping them get ready for jobs. We work closely with quality employers so that everything we teach is exactly what they need. The course involves 2 elements of a Level 2 diploma. The first element being the health and safety, which is paramount across any of our vocational areas. The second unit which will be delivered would be all around chassis systems, so that would incorporate wheels and tyres, brakes, steering, suspension and everything that falls within that, and that's basically what is linked to the demand of employers. What makes this academy different is this is employer-led, and at the end of the academy participants are guaranteed an interview which could lead on to a job opportunity within the local companies. They will also receive a weekly training allowance and get factory visits out on site and also guest speakers brought in from industry. This academy will help you gain confidence, learn new skills and get into work.
Hello, my name's Richard Livingston and I'm the Retail Operations Manager at Tyre's Group. Career opportunities within the tyre industry are vast in number, anywhere from tyre fitter, apprentice mechanics, right through to service advisors, managers in our centres, even drivers. We're always looking for staff to add. We get busier and busier and there's certainly plenty of opportunities within the industry. Qualities within recruits in our business is a very fast-paced business. We're always looking for somebody who is punctual, turns up every day and gives the best account of themselves. It is certainly a business where a job can turn into a real career opportunity. Misconceptions within the industry are often it's a male-dominated industry. We're an inclusive employer. We're certainly looking someone from, or anyone from any walk of life really, to come and join us.
I'm Charlie Kersgadden, General Manager of Modern Tyres. There's plenty of opportunities within the tyre trade today. Possibilities of basic tyre fitting, specialist tyre fitting, fleet services and even on into management and sales. The vast majority of our managers have been tyre fitters and that's been their route to progress through into management within the tyre trade. The first thing we look for is the right attitude, and by that I mean someone that understands the importance of reliability, the importance of good timekeeping, the importance of working well within a team and is willing to learn and put whatever they've been taught into practice. Well, I think some people may feel that it's just basic manual labour, but in fact it's much more than that. It's a highly skilled trade and people require specialist training. They need to be able to put that training to good effect and do everything that's needed for the customer.